Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start in Side Settings to reset your control center. Open Settings, then tap Control Center. This is where iOS stores layout and access rules. Once there, disable access within apps if you want to restrict swipes, then review included controls to remove or add items. You're doing this now so the layout reflects what you need. Removing extras simplifies the pain. Make sure to note which controls you remove, so you can add them back intentionally rather than guessing later. You'll now perform the core reset by editing items directly. Tap Edit, then use the red minus to remove unwanted controls and the green plus to add missing ones. Reordering is done with the 3-line handle. Drag top to bottom to prioritize. This changes the gesture layout and visible buttons, which is why you're reorganizing rather than restoring a backup. Once done, test the swipe to confirm positions. If something's misplaced, repeat these steps and fine-tune the order until it feels natural. Finish by testing. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center and confirm the controls and order match your changes. If things didn't update, restart your iPhone XR. This often resolves minor UI glitches. If controls still behave incorrectly, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset All Settings. This preserves data but returns system settings, including Control Center, to defaults. One troubleshooting tip: try Reset All Settings only as a last step because you'll reconfigure other preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.